Have you ever wondered if a century-old recipe could actually outshine modern baking? Today, we are testing a secret 100-year-old chocolate cake. I found this weathered family recipe book from 1924, and one specific line is faded, hiding a very mysterious addition. We start with the traditional ingredients: high-quality cocoa powder, farm-fresh eggs, and rich butter. Everything looks standard so far. But here is where it gets interesting. The recipe calls for a secret ingredient to be added right at the end. First, we whisk the dry ingredients into a ceramic bowl, making sure the cocoa is perfectly incorporated. Now for the mystery: a cup of hot, intense black coffee. It blooms the chocolate and creates an incredibly glossy batter. The texture is already looking superior to any box mix I've ever seen. Let's get this into the pan. Into a preheated oven it goes. The smell filling the house right now is absolutely intoxicating. Look at that beautiful rise. The surface is cracking just enough to show how moist and tender it is inside. The moment of truth. As I slice into it, the knife just glides through. It's remarkably dense and dark. Just look at this texture. It is incredibly moist and rich. That century-old secret definitely still outperforms modern recipes. This experiment was a total success. Sometimes, the old ways really are the best. Subscribe to Nodeni for more historical baking secrets and kitchen experiments. Happy baking!